ways to involve your audience. There's a very old Chinese story about good luck, bad luck. And I adapted it to that's good, that's bad. And I don't know if I've done that with any of you in other programs, but I will give you a little taste of it. This side of the room will respond after my first sentence with, that's good. And then I'll ask this side to respond with, that's bad. So let's see. I was invited to speak in July, actually, how about October at Madison Square Garden. That's good. Unfortunately, it was the date of my parents' 50th wedding anniversary. That's bad. I was going to be on the program with, amazingly, Oprah Winfrey, Tony Robbins, and Marianne Williamson. That's good. Yeah. They were scheduled at 8, 9, and 10 p.m. I was scheduled at 8 a.m. That's bad. Yeah. My room was packed that day. That's good. Due to a typo in the program, they were all coming to hear Craig Kilborn. I quoted full fee plus expenses. That's good. They responded with a minuscule honorarium and a microscopic per diem. That's sad. My product flew off the product table that day. That's good. Unfortunately, everyone thought it was free and just took it. That's sad. I'm going to fast forward a little bit, but ultimately, I got a lot of spin-off inquiries for and invitations for additional speaking programs that day. That's good. Yeah, it was the animal circuit. You know, the elks, the moose, the lions, and Secaucus Seroptimus. Anyway, so yes, but the best thing about it was I did get an invitation to speak at the White House. That's good. Yeah. Did you know the White House is a restaurant in Pasadena? But ultimately, I was able to sign my first contract with Disney. That's good. Yeah. For $14.95 a month, I now get Phineas and Ferb, I get Hannah Montana, and I get Dog with a Blog. The Disney Channel. All right. And that's my story. I'm sticking to it. So that's a long example of how to do this. Just want to touch on a couple of other things as my time.